The biggest scholarship opportunity in Brazil for 2027 isn't in Rio or São Paulo. It's actually hidden in the heart of Amazon. I'm talking about a massive federal powerhouse and the largest university in the entire Amazon region. UFP. They've just opened selection opportunities for the 2027 intake, and if you're looking for a fully funded postgraduate path, this is a game changer. Most people are completely overlooking. There's a reason I'm telling you to look at this right now. For my viewers in Nigeria, we've just received some incredible news. The student visa process for Brazil is finally speeding up, with a report of turnaround as fast as 2 weeks for properly submitted applications. Don't let the Amazon location fool you. The cost of living here is significantly lower than the big southern cities, and the research facilities are world class. In just a second, I'm going to take you to my screen and show you exactly which courses are open and a specific detail in the registration rules that most people miss. Let's jump into the portal so you can get your application started today. Formula. So when you click the link in the description box below, it's going to take you right into this page, and I want you to scroll down and you're going to see the total numbers of opportunities that are currently open in this course. So we're going to be taking them one after the other. I've translated this page so that it can be easier for everyone. So the first one on my list is master's degree in computing. We have 50 vacancies, and we have master's degree in doctorate degree in computing. We have doctorate in science and mathematics education, master's degree in science and mathematics education as well. The first one is doctorate, the second one is master's. Then we have digital education and active methodologies. However, this one is EAD, and they are looking for 300 vacancies. The next one is master's degree in environmental biology, master's degree in geography, doctorate degree in geography, master's degree in education and culture, master's degree in anthropology, doctorate degree in anthropology, master's degree in ethnodiversity studies. We have doctorate degree in tropical diseases, doctorate in aquatic ecology and fishing, master's degree in animal reproduction in the Amazon, and we have the doctorate in animal reproduction in Amazon as well. We have doctorate in computing. Then we also have doctorate in ecology. We have veterinary endoscopy and video surgery. Guys, these are fantastic opportunity that you can take advantage of. Majority of them are going to be closing in October, some of them in September, and we also have some of them that are going to be closing this month of August. So guys, you have to be very fast about your decision. If you have made up your mind about coming to study in Brazil, don't sleep on all these opportunities. Make sure you apply as fast as possible. Let's look at the registration period. The first one is going to be closing on Monday, which is 17th of August. The next one is going to be closing in November, and we have this one in November as well. This one is going to be closing in September. This one is September as well. This one is going to be closing on the 28th day of this month of August. So we have the one that is also going to be closing on the 1st of September. We have, all these ones are in September. Then we still have some that are going to be closing in August. So this one right here, they are going to be closing in August, right? We have 23, 25th and 25th as well. So this one is going to be closing in the month of December, and this is doctorate in tropical diseases. So guys, if you are interested, make sure you submit your application to this opportunity. Now we have ecology, aquatic ecology, and what have you. We have so many opportunities that are open, and what I'm trying to say here is that most of them you still have time to send in your application. And just the way we normally do, I'm going to be taking you using one as a simulation so you can see how you need to submit your application. All these ones down here, they've closed, and I believe that they are going to be updating this particular site. Okay, so you can keep checking. So right now in this video, let's just take anthropology. So if you click here, it's going to take you straight to where you need to make the application. So here, click this part. So that has brought us to this place, and you can see click and apply and say. So you have to click here for you to make your application. So, and that has brought us to this part, and we can see master's course in anthropology, and the campus is in Berlin. We have some other courses that are also in different campuses. So if you don't have CPF, you have to click this part. So this person is a pessoa estrangeira não possui CPF. So this person is a foreigner and he doesn't have CPF. So you're going to enter your name, your email, confirm your email, your mother's name, your father's name, if you are conversant with application in Brazil, you will know that mother's name, they don't joke with it. Most of the applications, you have to include your mother's name. Your father's name might not be relevant, might not be so important. It is relevant, but might not be important. But mother's name is usually very, very obligatory. It's usually very, very compulsory. So we have the sex, your date of birth, your status civil, are you married or you single, your race, your type of public schools you went, type of school you went to, if it was private or if it was public, so the country, your city. Then you're going to fill all of that. Then you're going to enter your passport in this section of the application form. Then you have to scroll down and indicate RG concentration sound. So is it anthropology, is it social anthropology you're looking at, is it archaeology, or is it anthropology? By anthropology. So anyone you are concentrating on, you're going to pick that. They are also still going to talk about your line of research. Don't forget that all of these things, talking about the line of research and all, you're going to get the details here where you are seeing cable here. Download the archive, the editor. So if you click here, if I click here, it's going to download the editor. So from the editor, you are going to get details of the line of research, the one that aligns with you better. So you're going to do that here. Then you're going to indicate one or two professors in the order of your preference. You're going to indicate them here. Then indicate if you want to apply under any specific quota, so you're going to do that here. And are you someone with any deficiency? If yes, you're going to do that here. So if you have any disability, so you're going to include the documents that validate your claim. So say candidato vagapra persona negra. If you are someone, you're applying for the black quota, you're also going to attach your document here. So detail of all of these things, you're going to see them in the editor that I said you would download over there. So this is what I've been doing right from time for the past 3 years now, telling people how they can make their applications. And I've always been saying, lots of people, to the glory of God, have gotten opportunities in Brazil by watching the content that we make on this channel. We also have some other people that have come to Brazil that are also helping people, to make this part, which is good, So guys, if you are watching this video for the first time, this is Knowledge Plug. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this opportunity to other people that may be looking for possibility of studying in Brazil. Don't forget that we rise by lifting all the courses that are listed in this group. I'm very sure none of them is in your area you're looking for. Can you share it with your friends? Share it to any WhatsApp group or Telegram group that you belongs to. Let people benefit, let people know about the opportunity. So you're going to do all the filling, and you're going to thereafter, of course, you are going to submit. But most importantly, don't forget, there'll be need for you to attach your international passports, attach every other thing that you needed to be attached, like your latest CV link, and you're also going to attach your projects, the project you have written. And this is what I usually tell you, that if you need someone that can help you to write something that's going to stand out, you can let me know. I can help you to write your proposal, I can help you to create your CV, and it's going to stand out. And I can also help you to do all the application from A to Z. Hit me up on Instagram, and you can also send me email if you want. So guys, if you have gotten to here, if you have done filling all the necessary column, you can submit your application, and I'm wishing you best of luck in this application. Again, if you are looking for where you can go to in Brazil that the cost of living is not so killing, then think of applying to UFPA. Again, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share with someone that may be interested in coming to study in Brazil. I will see you in the next video. Até breve. Tchau, tchau.